Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade on this 10th day of June 2025. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and we're going to show you a different type of a trade than what we usually show you. Of course, we have this wonderful strength indicator at the top here under this 240 high sign. There's a red arrow pointing short. So we're going to take this candle short and we start outside the range and go down. Now, that was one of the trades we got today, but I want to show you something different than what we usually do. You'll see these little markings here, these little black markings. These are called delta signals. They're special indicators made from Samurai Day trading only, and they're going to tell you which direction to trade. When any of these pop up on your screen, you just put an order on the deltas and just wait to get paid. So that's what we're going to do here. This one makes a nice move down, and we're going to look for the first black marks going the opposite way to buy. So it's a kind of a reversal type of a trade, but it's pretty interesting how it works. So we're going to go ahead and let this go. So this is going to push down, and I'm looking for the first black delta to go long. So that usually indicates that there's a failure in the market, and the other team is coming up to take it off. So here we go. So looking for one, looking for one, looking for one. Here it is. Okay. First target's out. Second target's out. Now, if it does take me out, I can re-enter. There you go. So that trade took about 50 seconds and is worth 545 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 545 US dollars, come and join us in the live trading room at samuraidaytrading.com. So all we did was a reversal delta. We waited for the market to come down, hit a spot where it was going to turn around, and that black signal right there told me that we were going to that was all the further we were going to go short, and we just needed to take the mark the other way. So again, a couple of very interesting indicators that you won't find anywhere else. You have the delta indicator and the strong candle indicator. Between the two, it's a lethal combination for trading. So we look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. God bless you, and we'll see you next time.